Now moving on to the next type of expansion of series is the very important Taylor series. Now Taylor series has four formulas which are very important, which are f of x plus h. This series can be written as f of x plus h into f dash x plus h square upon 2 factorial f double dash x and so on. If f of x plus h can also be written as f equals to f of h plus x into f dash of h plus x square upon 2 factorial f double dash h and so on. That is replacing x by h and h by x in the first equation, in the first series. Now if f is a function of x plus a, then the series can be written as f of a plus x into f dash a plus x square upon 2 f double dash a and so on. And the function, the original function f of x can be determined as f of a plus x minus a into f dash a plus x minus a the whole square upon 2 factorial f double dash a plus x minus a raised to 3 upon 3 factorial f triple dash a and so on. Now this last series is helpful in expansion of power of h or x, expansion of power. And the second and the second and the third types and the fourth type is also used in the expansion of the power of x minus a. For finding approximate value, we will be needing the second series, which was f of x plus h. So these are the subtypes which we are going to study in detail about Taylor series. So keep watching the video till end. Now we are going to study the standard function of expansion of series, which is the first type. Now here we have to learn about 11 standard series, which is sin x, cos x, tan x, sin hyperbolic x, sin cos hyperbolic x, tan hyperbolic x, e raised to x log 1 plus x log 1 minus x, tan hyperbolic inverse x, and 1 plus x raised to m. Now the first series sin x equals to x minus x cube upon 3 factorial plus x raised to 5 upon 5 factorial minus x raised to 5 upon 5 factorial 7 x raised to 5 upon 5 factorial minus and so on. Cos x is equals to 1 minus x square upon 2 factorial plus x raised to 4 upon 4 factorial minus x raised to 6 upon 6 factorial and so on. Now the relationship between 2 and how to remember it. Sin x is the odd powers of x and the power of x is the factorial in the denominator. So odd powers means x raised to 1 upon 1 factorial, which is x. So sin x equals to x minus x cube upon 3 factorial plus x raised to 5 upon 5 factorial with adjacent side, that is plus plus minus plus minus plus minus. Okay. Now cos x series have even powers. So x raised to 0 is equals to 1. So 1 minus x square upon 2 factorial plus x raised to 4 upon 4 factorial and so on till infinity. Now tan x series consists of x plus x cube upon 3 plus 2x raised to 5 upon 15 and so on. Now here all the terms will be positive. My first term will be x, my second term will be x cube, my third term will be x raised to 5, meaning the powers will be odd powers and the coefficients will be 1 upon 3, 1 upon 15, and it will increase similarly. Now finding sin hyperbolic x. Now sine hyperbolic series has same series as that of sine x, but here there are no adjacent sign. The only sign that will be going to exist is the positive one. So the series will be x plus x cube upon 3 factorial plus x raised to 5 factorial minus x raised to, x raised to 5 factorial, x raised to 5 upon 5 factorial plus x raised to 7 upon 7 factorial, and so on. Cos x series will be similar to cos hyperbolic series, but with all terms with positive sign. Now going to the tan hyperbolic x series, which is x minus x cube upon 3 plus 2 upon 15 x raised to 5 plus, and so on, meaning the sign between the first term and the second term will be negative and remaining will be positive. Okay, now e raised to x can be evaluated as 1 plus x 2 upon 2 factorial plus x3 upon 3 factorial. Now to remember e raised to x series, we will consider the whole number. Okay, so the first term of the series will be x raised to 0, so 1, x raised to 1, so x raised to 2 divided by 2 factorial, x raised to 3 divided by 3 factorial, with all positive signs. This is the series for e raised to x. Now log of 1 plus x. Log of 1 plus x is equals to x minus x square upon 2 plus x cube upon 3 minus x raised to 4 upon 4 plus x raised to 5 upon 5, and so on. Now log of 1 minus x is equals to the same series of 1 plus x with all sign negative. Okay, in 1 plus x the signs were changing, 1 plus x and 1 minus x, adjacent signs were used, but in log of 1 minus x it will be, the whole sign will be negative. Now moving on to the tan hyperbolic inverse x, which is x plus x cube upon 3 plus x raised to 5 upon 5 plus, and so on. Now 1 plus x raised to m series can be written as 1 plus mx plus m into m minus 1 upon 2 factorial x square plus m into m minus 1 into m minus 2 upon 3 factorial into x cube, and so on. So these were the 11 series that we will be going to use. So keep watching the video to get the proper understanding to get the proper understanding of the standard function of expansion of series. I will be taking some example in accordance to these 11 types. So keep watching the video. And for notes, like my Facebook page, Instagram page, and get notes on my Facebook and Instagram page. So you can download it and yes, share it among your friends because a friend in need is a friend indeed. So like, share, subscribe my video and keep watching.